What's good? I wanted to make a video for my friends and family to update them that I recently started my own video production company. Well, it's actually not that recent. I started it back in 2023 where I went full time. But before then, I've been doing it for like the past 8 years on the side. So I'm very experienced with what I do. I actually film for a hunting TV show. I also film events and speaking engagements. I also film for small businesses to help promote their message and get their brands out there. And that's why I'm filming this video now, because I haven't filmed a video for myself yet, but hey, it's never too late. I'm here right now doing it. But I do product videography as well. I can get some awesome looking footage for you if you have any products, or if you're someone who just wants to start their personal brand. I got you covered. I actually film YouTube videos where I create reviews on different products like e-bikes and stuff. So I'm very familiar in that space as well. And I'm basically here just to help you grow, because that's what I love to do. Except if you want to film like a gender reveal video, then get lost. I don't want to. I'm just kidding. No, anything. If you need help, I got you covered. My business name is Merit Media Productions because I strive for excellency with all the work that I do. And if you know somebody who might be interested in some videography, then refer them to me, or just keep me in the back of your mind. Keep me in your prayers at night. I don't know what I'm saying. Alrighty, catch you on another one. Or just see you later. Have a good day.